Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, May, and for today's video I will be doing a whole video. I bought something online and in store, and I want to share them with you guys. So let's start. First is my Miniso haul. I went to the store last Wednesday after watching a movie with my two daughters, and the first thing I got is this charging cable with lightning. So I need this one because the one I'm using was broken already. So I'll check or I'll put the price in the description if you are interested. Next thing is this one, table mirror, since sometimes it's hard to put on makeup, so I bought this one, and also the price will be included in the description box below. Okay, let's see what's inside, so you can have an idea. So these are the parts you will assemble the mirror. This is the stand. Here it is, guys. Very simple mirror, table mirror. Let's put it here so it won't break. Next thing I bought is a cake server rather, because my cake server is already old, so I bought another one from Miniso. Next one is a tumbler for water or anything. I think I'll be using this here in my bedroom, so I have already a glass of water every time I'm thirsty. So this one is for me and for my husband also to share. So this is nice. I like the color. And last but not the least, I bought this. It's like a storage bin, if I am right. You can put some toiletries or anything. It's like a wire basket. It is a wire basket with print here with cloth. Take a break. It says it's take a break. Okay, that's it for my Miniso haul. And then let's start with this one. This one I bought from Shopee. Oh no, I think this one, oh right, this one is from Shopee, and I bought a loose pants because I love wearing loose pants. So here it is. This is a loose pants from Shopee, and the brand is Sansea. Okay, next one is this one is from Filia. I bought a pair of shoes from Filia, and let's see. I love wearing flat shoes, guys, so shopping online is very convenient, especially now that the traffic is so awful. I'd rather buy online than to go to the mall. Going to the mall now is not my I don't go to the mall that often now because of the traffic. So here it is. Yeah, I like the style. It has a gold design. It's pretty, right? Next one is this one. This one is a pair of Twilly from Love My Bags. I always buy Twilly from Love My Bags because it's cheap and it's not only cheap, it's pretty and I like the color. So this one is color blush. This is the packaging, guys. Handle wraps. It says handle wraps. And this is only 150 pesos per pair. So I will use these on my, it's either on my Speedy 30 or in my Alma BB. That's why I bought the blush color. I think they complement well. The brown, the brown color of the canvas and the white color of the my Speedy. So next one, this one I bought from a friend of mine, and the name of the shop is Teas and Things, and the owner happens to be our family friend. So I bought another sling bag from her. By the way, guys, I ordered this one at a time, so don't judge. I just gathered them all so I can do a whole video with you guys. Whole package. I thought this one is big, but it's not. See? This is so cute. And it has a oh, this is the front side. Okay, it has also a sling, so if you are traveling it's easy to carry. But this one is quite small. You can take it off. You can remove the yellow bag inside. So if you want to carry this without the bag inside, you can see all your essentials here. This is nice. I like. I can make this a cosmetic pouch instead of putting in the bag. Next one is from Zalora. I bought the BLK Cosmetics from Zalora. This is the universal edition of BLK Cosmetics. So let's see. I bought 2 items from BLK. It's called the Universal. I think it's like a BB cream or foundation. I'm not sure. I forgot. Uncomplicated BLK. And this one is the eyebrow. This one is the eyebrow pencil from BLK. Okay. BLK. And last but not the least, this one came recently. Another bag from, this one is from TOPSHOP, but I ordered this one from Salora. So let's see. It's like the other bag that I ordered from my friend. This is a sling bag from TOPSHOP. You know, in picture it looks like big, but it's not. It's also a sling bag, and for sure I will carry this one on our future trip, coming trip in Korea. That's why it has also a strap, but it's not removable, I think. So this is the strap, and this is how you close the bag. I'm attracted to clear bags nowadays. So there are 2. This one is from Things and Things, and this one is from TOPSHOP. I will put the link below and the price, so if you are interested, you can look for it. This one is quite pricey. Well, it's TOPSHOP, and I understand. It's a brand. So guys, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this quick haul video of mine, and hope you enjoyed this one. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this one, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.